What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a great day today. I'm doing pretty good myself. So we are currently on the way to trade this thing in. I am done with all the boost problems. I am over it. We're gonna be trading it in for a GTR today. I'm just kidding, guys. So as you guys remember by today's title of the video, we are going to be test driving a new Z today. So one of the homies works at a Nissan dealership and they have one for sale right now. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably saw that I reposted it. Long story short, he just told me, hey, come test drive it, and who's gonna say no to that? I've actually been interested in one of these cars for a while now. I am kind of considering getting one in the near future. I'm just stuck between that or a Supra, but I don't know if I want to get rid of the Q50 just yet. That's the only thing that's holding me back, kind of. That, and I don't know if I want to buy a $60,000 car right now, to be honest. But anyways, today we're going to be test driving it and seeing if I get convinced. The only thing is that I will want a manual, and unfortunately this one is automatic, but I'm still going to be able to get the experience behind the wheel of a new Z. So overall, it should be fun. Should be a good time. And there she is. So this one is inside. This one's actually a manual, but unfortunately we can't drive this one. But if I were to get one, I would definitely get this exact like spec, just a different color, maybe just the red seats. But dude, this thing is sick. This would literally be the one I would like to get. Ah, it smells so good in here. Yeah, bro. Maybe one of these. I think it's the performance pack. I think that's what this trim is. The manual. It's perfect. Very nice. New car smell, bro. I'll never get old. But we're not gonna be driving this one. Like I said, we're gonna be driving the one that's outside. But what do you guys think? If I were to get one of these, it would definitely be this exact spec. Just like I said, different color. Maybe a different color interior. I don't know. I'm in between this or a Supra, but the main reason I would like one of these instead of a Supra is because you never see these, bro. Like ever since they came out, like I've probably seen like a total of like 5 at most, probably like even less on the street. So it's definitely a neck breaker. People probably don't even know what this is when you see it on the street. Pull up on the homie.
All right, what's up, bro? How you doing?
Good, and you?
Chilling, bro. Chilling.
So we're gonna test drive this beauty, like I said. So he was saying that this is the Red Sport motor, right?
Red Sport motor, yes sir. So 400 horsepower and 350 foot-pounds of torque.
And a 9-speed, right?
Mm-hmm. 9-speed
So
automatic.
He's actually the guy that I raced in his Q50 a couple months ago. 3.0 turbo, he gapped me. I don't know if you guys remember that.
Flashback. End of flashback.
So he's actually a salesman here at Fontana Nissan. If you guys are interested in this Z, that Z, any freaking Nissan you see here, he's definitely the guy to come to. So
I got a couple Z's in every month. You want to go ahead and give me a call? I'll put my number down in the description.
Yeah, and right here is his Instagram. So shoot him a follow. Like I said, hit him up if you guys are interested in any type of Nissan. You guys got something to trade in, etc. He's the man to go to. But let's go ahead and take this thing for a ride. All right, guys, we're in the Z. I've never seen a gearbox shifter thing like this, but is this a cold start?
Cold start, yes sir.
So it does have the sport exhaust too. Oh really? Yeah, it sounds pretty loud for a stock. Okay, I can get used to this.
It's nice, bro. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital display, bro. Chilling.
Damn, digital dash and everything. Who are you guys taking, this Z or that one? I'll put 50 roll. All right, guys, we're off in the new Z. First time ever driving one of these. How would you put it in a manual? Just like
Pull it back again.
Oh, there it is.
Sports.
Oh yeah, this thing feels nice. Even though it's an auto, it feels really good. What do you guys think? Do you guys see me in the new Z? Imagine, bro. I have a vision for this car already, bro. Like, it's, I can't say it.
And it's a perfect fucking spot to be in. You
Yeah.
get the reservoir motor anyway. It's the same shit.
Exactly. Like I said, the only difference I would do is make it get a manual. And the performance. That's what it is, right? It's performance pack?
On the white one I was inside, yeah.
And this guy was just telling me if I find a Z anywhere, he'll go get it from me. I'm telling you guys, the customer service, he won't. Hit on my boy, bro. Alright, I'm redlining it. I'm a newbie at these VR30. I don't think you gotta shift earlier. Damn, that felt good though. I'll do another one. I'll have to redeem myself.
Yeah, very good. You can pass this exit too.
Oh, bro. For it being a stock car, this shit feels very good. Do a little better pull right here. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. I did not think this car was gonna be this good. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Think I might just have to. How does the second gear feel? Damn.
Twin turbo V6, bro.
What's up, bro? Let's go sign some papers or what? Damn, if this one feels good, I can't even imagine how the manual one feels.
And the manual one has no lift shift.
Oh
So
shit.
you're fucking.
Banging them, huh?
You can make it right.
You said go straight and go to my house?
Let's do it, bro. Sign the contract, big boy.
You got straight. Oh, look, an older one. I feel like that one looks a lot like this one.
The rear end.
85? Huh?
Yeah, and then spin it back in auto, quick, just fucking cool.
That's it?
And what's cool on this one, I was told by a tuner that you could run E on stock injectors.
Stock everything, but like E-Mix or straight 85?
E-Mix.
Yeah, this thing, like, it's in drive, it feels really good, bro. Like,
When it equals them all, but or standard, I should just fucking cruises, bro.
yeah, it feels like a normal car. You go from gapping somebody to just cruising. Oh yeah, this thing feels really smooth, bro. What's up with that Mustang? You need that? You get gapped right now, homie. You need a stock car. I'm just kidding. Nah, I'm pretty sure I'll gap it. See, I got used to the shifting points.
Huh?
I got used to the shifting points.
Yeah. Oh, they're easy to grab, bro.
Huh?
They're easy to remember and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, bro, this thing feels really good.
When I get back, you can park it next to yours.
Alright. Well, I can't get over the fact how good this car feels even for an auto. Alright, let's put this thing back in. Go ahead and get this on my head. Damn. The famous VR30. Whoa.
Redo.
Edit. Cut. The famous VR30. Damn, it smells like we just did some fat pulls in it. The famous VR30. Are these like revised? You know how like the older Q50s,
Yeah.
the 2016s or the
Yeah.
So yours is good.
18. Them in the middle. And, you get
And these are
fucking brand new. You get warranty and everything there.
Yeah, because that's the only thing that like I've thought like in the back of my head, like you guys know VR30s, you guys know like the whole thing with them blowing turbos, blowing motors, but I'm pretty sure this is a brand new car. I don't think it's gonna happen with this motor. I'm sure it's been revised hundreds of times by Nissan already. So what do you guys think? Trade in? They'll probably give me like 10K for that if anything, if I'm lucky. But seriously guys, what do you guys think? Get rid of the Q, get one of these in the near future? I don't know. It's a possibility. Like, I know I made videos like this in the past, like, oh, like, I'm gonna get this. No, but this time I'm kind of serious. I'm just gonna see, possibly post the queue up for sale soon. And if that goes good, then you might just see me in one of these. So the cool thing about this dealership is that they actually don't have any type of markup. What you see is what you pay. So it's $44,000, no markup. That last Z I saw last year, I think the base price was like 50. I want to say like 53. They were trying to get me to sign for like $75,000 or $80,000. Like, bro, for a Z, come on. And this one, like I said, no markup. So you can literally pay $45,000 for this exact car. Well, $44,589. That's pretty sick about this dealership. No markups.
So you get the brakes, the Akibonos for sure. You have the 19 sport wheels, raised. Over here we have the leather / suede in this one, and the 6-speed, of course. Yeah, and you do have a bigger screen in this one. You have the suede on the door panels.
I didn't even notice that.
But everything else is the same thing. Same infotainment screen, just a little bigger. The dash, digital dash, the same thing.
Yeah, but this one, I sold on this one, to be honest. I was telling him, I really need a black one. This white one's super clean too. And I was actually telling him, I think this car's a lot more spacious than 370. At least it feels like it.
And it's staggered as well. So 275 in the back, 245 in the front.
Alright guys, time to get out of here. Shout out to homie once again. Thanks for the opportunity.
Sure.
Like I said, if you guys need any type of Nissan here at Fontana Nissan, no markups. This is the man to go to. Like I said, all of his stuff is going to be in the description down below. And here's his Instagram. Shoot him a follow and hit him up if you guys need a Nissan.